What do you think, Sophia?
It's so funny. Oh my god, it's so...
Whoa!
Hong Kong. Oh, that was
Whoa!
You're mean. See who gets it.
Oh, there's a bird.
Oh!
Look at all these burbs. Oh! Sophia, look at Sophia. Look at all of the birds that are coming to see us.
Look at poofy hair.
There's so many birds.
Steph, look at poofy hair.
It's because we have food. We are actually surrounded by birds. So, Sophia, how has our bird experience been so far?
Bird!
Bird?
Like a bird.
So, out of 10 birds, how many birds out of 10 birds? Like a rating system.
Out of 10,
Out of 10. How many birds?
20.
20 birds out of 10 birds? I'd say that's not too bad.
Actually more.
More? More? More than 20 out of 10? You're getting a little ridiculous here. Just a little bit ridiculous. Especially, we had all those birds following us.
Because I did piece of bread.
Because it's a little tiny piece of bread. It's a little tiny piece of bread. It's a little tiny piece of bread. Sophie, there are no birds here. Why are you throwing? If there's no bird, all the birds are over there because that's where we just were.
No.
Silly goose.
There's
We've not halfway, but we've made it around the bend.
Mostly.
You sure you don't want to take a break for some water? Burbs. You gonna feed some burbs?
Yeah.
Good. Feed some burbs. I don't see any burbs. We gotta get them over here. Entice them with bread. Burbs. Getting some much needed water break. Water break.
Yeah.
Why are you such a dork? I can't.
Because you're a dog.
It is so nice out today. Out of birds, out of 10 birds, how nice is it today?
20 birds.
20 birds.
No, 40.
40 birds, that's how nice it is today. It's a nice 80-ish degrees.
There's 100 birds.
It's 100 birds. No, like how nice is it? Not how many birds are there. Get their attention? I think we got their attention. Look at all these burbs.
Oh my god, they're coming from far away.
I know. They're all coming. They're all coming. All the burbs.
Oh, goosies.
Oh, dang. That duck was like mine. Okay. So many burbs. So little time. So little bread. Okay, we need to move on before we run out of bread. Goodbye, burbs. We shall miss you. So the birds have decided to follow us. Because we still have, whoa, here they come.
It was a race.
I have no idea how good this looks. And behind us, all of the burbs. We have a fan club. Burb.
And birds away.
Whoa! Okay. I'm gonna try something. They all swarm. So many burbs. Are we sitting down? The burbs are going to surround us if we sit.
Oh, goosies.
Goose. Don't get it closer to us. What are you doing? Okay, moving on. I'm totally not afraid of goose. Geese? Gooses? Goose eye? Sophia. And wait. Do that super throw. Do it. Woo! I have no idea where that went. but there's a lot of burbs.
There it is. See who gets these two.
These burbs are so pretty.
Yeah. And
They're coming from everywhere. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but everywhere. Like all the way down there, they're coming towards us. From over there. Like we're gonna have a posse of birds, and I'm not even upset about it.
Bird,
We are the bird queens.
bird. Wow, these guys like us.
Let me see. Let me see a piece of bread. Piece of bird.
Here. Here, you can have
First person. Thank you.
Now ready for the super throw. Who gets this? This is a special one. What are we gonna do that? Oh, that was...
Did that bird just catch it midair?
Yeah,
I hope I caught that. That was cool.
I threw it and the bird just flew in the air.
I'm not paying attention to what's going on. Oh my god. Look at all the burbs. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh,
You don't
they're
have
so
to be
pretty.
afraid.
I'm not afraid.
You are.
I just walked right past. Do you want to fight me, Sophia? Look it. Sophia? Do you want to fight me?
No.
We should have like monthly or bi-weekly burb adventures. We should go on more bird adventures. Oh,
It's
so pretty.
Looks like
It's a golden
chocolate.
goose. Sophia's like Chris Pratt in Jurassic World. Sophia against the goose. Geese. The geese eye. All right, Sophia. You got this. Go get him. Just ran into a tree. Sophia versus Goose. Back to the path. Back to the path. Sophia. Sophia versus Goose once again. And back on the path. Sophia versus Goose, part 3. Dun 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 dun.
So much.
What, you don't appreciate my humor, Sophia? Sophia,
not gonna-
you don't appreciate my jokes? You look at you don't appreciate. She looks longingly back at the geese. What?
One has an 8 in their tummy.
Oh, really? That's cute. How do you know?
It's tiny big. Done.
Maybe it's just a fat burb. Well, I'm just saying. Okay. We made it
Oh!
all the way around.
So cute.
And now we were supposed to go around this way, Sophia.
Here you come.
Sophia, please be careful. We made it all the way around.
Oh my god.
He's staring you down.
He looks like a chicken.
Waggle, waggle. So, we have finished our bird adventure. What did you think?
Tired.
You're tired? Out of 10 birds, how many birds would you rate this adventure?
100.
100 birds out of 10. It's pretty good. I think we should come back and do this again. You think we should come back and do this again?